Hello, hi, welcome to Aspirant Portal. In this video, we will solve some quantitative aptitude questions which are asked in IPPS PO 2019 preliminary examination. First question: a train traveling at 72 km per hour crosses a platform of 160 meter in 18 seconds, and another train traveling at 90 km per hour crosses the same platform in 15 seconds. Find the length of another train. In this question, we have two trains. First train traveling with the speed of 72 km per hour, and the second train traveling with the speed of 90 km per hour. These two trains are crossing a platform. The platform length equal to 160 meter. But what is the conclusion of the question? Find the length of another train. The formula for length equal to speed into time. When a train crosses a platform, the length should be taken as platform length plus train length. That equal to platform length plus train length equal to speed into time. What is the platform length here? 160 meter plus train length. We don't know what is the train length, so assume that as x, and speed equal to 90 km per hour into, once you observe the options, all options are given in meters and the time also given in seconds. That's why we need to convert this 90 km per hour into meter per second. When we convert kilometer per hour into meter per second, we will multiply them with 5 by 18. I hope that everyone knows that why we multiply with 5 by 18. And coming to the time equal to 15 seconds. 18 5s, 5 into 5, 25 into 15. 25 into 15, what is the value of 25 into 15? 15 5s are 75, 15 2s are 30, 30 plus 7, 375. And send this 160 to this side. 375 minus 160 equal to 512. The length of second train equal to 215 meters. Next question. This question related to probability. There are 5 red, 6 black and 5 blue balls in a bag. Out of these balls, 4 balls are picked at random from the bag. Then what is the probability that one is red, 2 are black and 1 is blue ball? Here we have a bag. In that bag there are 3 color balls. The total number of balls are 5 plus 5, 10 plus 6. Total number of balls are 16. From these 16 balls, they are picked 4 balls at randomly. So what is the possibility to get 4 balls out of 16 balls? Equal to 16 C4. And coming to the numerator, in that 4 balls, what is the condition here? 1 is red, 2 are black and 1 is blue ball. So what is the possibility to get 1 red ball out of 5 red balls? 5C1 into, coming to the black balls, what is the possibility to get 2 black balls out of 6 black balls? 6C2 into, what is the possibility to get 1 blue ball out of 5 blue balls? 5C1. So the value of 5C1 is 5 into 6C2. 6 into 5 by 2 into 1 into 5C1 5 all divided by 16C4. The value of 16C4, 16 into 15 into 14 into 13. Divided by 4 into 3 into 2 into 1. So 5 into 2 3s, 15 into 5 divided by 4 4s, 3 5s and 2 7s. 4 5 7 into 13. 4 into 5 into 7 into 13. 5 5 cancel. 15 5s are 75 divided by 13 into 7, 91. 91 into 4. 4 1s are 4, 4 9s are 364. The probability is 75 by 364. Option B is the answer. Open. Next question. If A starts from point P with a speed of 60 km per hour at 8 am and B starts with speed 70 km per hour at 8:30 am from point Q, and the total distance between P and Q is 680 km, find at what time they will cross each other. In this question we have 2 points, that is P and Q. The distance between both is 680 km. A starts from P with the speed of 60 km per hour at 8 am, and coming to the B starts from point Q with the speed of 70 km per hour at 8:30 am. But what is the conclusion of the question? What time they will cross each other? But in this, A starts at 8 am and B starts at 8 am. The time gap between both is half an hour. So first to find the distance travelled by A in first half an hour. First half an hour, A travelled 60 km per hour, but first half an hour A travelled 30 km. And now A is in here, time is 8:30. The distance between these two is 680 minus 30, 650 km. And now times are equal. And now we need to find the time they will cross each other. Time equal to distance by speed. So distance equal to 650 km by speed equal to A speed is 60 km per hour plus B speed is 70. Total 650 by 130. 5 hours. Time equal to 5 hours. But both are started at same time, that is 8:30. 8:30 plus 5, 13:30. 13:30 means 1:30. The time taken by both to cross each other is 1:30. If ratio of ages of P and Q before 4 years ago 5:4. From today to 4 years ago, the ratio of their ages will be 5 years, 5:4. PQ 4 years ago. And what is the next point? After 12 years, sum of their ages will be 68 years. From today to after 12 years, the sum of their ages will be P plus Q is 68 years. But what is the conclusion? Then what is the P says 2 years ago? From today to 2 years ago, what is the P says? We need to find that. From here to here, the age gap is 4 plus 12, 16 years. If we subtract this 16 from the 68 2 times, we will get sum of the ages of two persons 4 years ago. 68 minus 16 into 2, 16 into 2, 32, 32 minus 68, 68, 32, 6, 36. So the sum of the ages of these two persons 4 years ago is 36. Ratio also given, and the sum of ages will be 36. 5 plus 4, 9. 9 parts equal to 36. 1 part value equal to 4. But what is the conclusion? P says 2 years ago. So what is the P says? It is the 5 is the P says. 5 into 4, 20. 20 is the 20 years is the P age when 4 years ago. But what is the after 2 years? After 2 and before 2, both are same. So 20 plus 2, 22. Final answer is 22 years. Next question. Pipe A and B can fill a tank in 15 minutes and 20 minutes respectively, and pipe C empties the tank in 12 minutes. What will be the time taken by A, B, C together to fill the tank completely? In this question we have 3 pipes. In these 3 pipes, A and B are filling the tank in 15 minutes and 20 minutes, and C is the empties the tank in 12 minutes. But what is the final conclusion of the question? If 3 pipes are opened at the same time, what will be the time taken to complete the tank? In this question we have to find A plus B minus C. All are opened at the same time. Y minus C is the emptiest the tank. So A can fill the tank in 15 minutes, but what is the 1 minute work of A? 1 by 15 plus B fill the tank in 20 minutes, but what is the 1 minute work of B? 1 by 20 minus C empties the tank in 12 minutes. 1 minute work of C, 1 by 12. LCM 15, 20 and 12. 20 is the bigger than remaining 2. 20 is not divisible by remaining 2, and 22's, take 22's 40. 40 is also not divisible by 15 and 20, and 23's are 60. 60 is successfully divisible by remaining 2. So LCM of these 3 numbers is 60. 15 4's plus 23's minus 12 5's equal to 7 minus 2. 7 minus 5, 2 by 60. Once that is, so finally the tank completely in 30 minutes. Option B is the answer. Here we have the first question. P invested 60% more than Q and R invested 20% more than Q. If ratio of investment time period P is to Q is to R is 243 and the sum of profit shares of Q and R is 8,550 rupees, then find the profit share of P. In this question we have three persons. These three persons are invested some amount in a business. P invested 60% more than Q and R invested 20% more than Q. Except Q, remaining two persons are invested more than Q. So let me take Q as 100%. What is the P? P invested 60% more than Q. That means 100 plus 60, 160. And coming to the R invested 20% more than Q. So 100 plus 20, 120. 0, 0, 0, 2 8s, 2 5s, 2 6. The investment ratio is 8:5:6. In this question they are given time period also. Time period is 2:4:3. But what is the condition here? Find the profit share of P. So first of all try to find the profit shares of these three persons. P, Q, R. Here we need to find profit shares. Here we have investment ratio and in question also given time ratio. From these two we should definitely get shares of these three persons. So investment into time period equal to share. What are the investment of these three persons? 8:5:6. 8, 5, 6 into, and coming to the time period also given in question 2:4:3. 2, 4, 3. 8 2s are 16, 5 4s are 20 and 6 3s are 18. Finally the shares of these three persons are 16 is 20, 18. 2 8s, 2 10s and 2 9s. It is the shares of these three persons. So what is the conclusion of the question? Sum of profit shares of Q and R is 8,550 rupees. Then find the profit share of P. The sum of Q and R is equal to, it is P, Q and R. 10 plus 9, 19 parts equal to 8,550 rupees. Then what is the 8 parts? 8 parts is P. So 19 4s, 19 5s, 450. 450 into 8. 450 into 8. 8 0 0, 8 5s are 40. 8 4s are 36. 8 4s are 32 plus 4, 36. Answer is 3,600. Next question. If a boat travels 18 kilometers more in downstream than in upstream in 3 hours. Here we have a boat. This boat traveled 18 kilometers more in downstream compared with upstream in 3 hours. So downstream minus upstream equal to 18 kilometers in 3 hours. So what is the 1 kilometer distance? 6 kilometers. And next, and if the speed of boat in still water is 20 km per hour, find the distance traveled by boat in downstream 4 hours. So downstream minus upstream equal to 6 km per hour. Downstream equal to x plus y minus x minus y equal to 6 plus x minus, or x is the boat speed and y is the stream speed. So 20, boat speed also given in question. 20 plus y minus 20 plus y equal to 6. 20 cancel. 2y equal to 6, y equal to 3. Y is the stream speed. So what is the conclusion? Downstream in 4 hours. The boat traveled downstream in 4 hours. Downstream equal to x plus y into 4 hours. We have to find this. X is the boat stream. Boat speed is 20 km per hour plus stream speed is 3 km into 4. 20 plus 3, 23. 23 into 4. 20 plus 20 into 4, 80 plus 12. 92 km per hour. Answer is 92 km per hour. Next topic. this topic related to number series. Here we have to find a missing number from this series. First question, 1864, 1521, 1305, question mark, and 1116, 1089. First of all, try to find the difference among these numbers. 1864 minus 1521, 3, 4 and 3, 343, and 1521 minus 1305, 6, 1, 2. We don't know what is the next. And 1116 minus 1089, 1189, 11 plus 16, 27. These numbers are looking like cubes of numbers. 27 is the 3 cube, 216 is the 6 cube, 347 is 7 cube. So these two numbers should be like 5 cube and 4 cube. 5 cube is 125, 4 cube is 64, and these numbers are descending order from big to low. So 1305 minus 125, 0, 8, 11. Answer is 1180. Check whether it is correct or not. So 1180 minus 64, 6, 1, sorry, 1116, correct. Answer is 1180. Next question, 18, question mark, 9, 18, 72 and 576. We will start from 9. 9 2s 18 and 18 4s. 18 4s are 72 and 72 8s. 8 2s are 16. Last digit is 16. 6. So 576. But what would be the previous number? So these numbers are getting double. 2 gets double 4, 4 gets double 8. So before 2 we may expect 1. So before 9 the number definitely multiply with 1 equal to 9. So option B is the right answer. Answer is 9. And check whether it is correct or not. 1 by 2, 0.5. 18 multiply with 0.5. 18 into 0.5 is 9. 9 into 1 equal to 9. 9 into 2 equal to 18. So on and so on. Satisfied. Answer is 9. Next question, 12, 6.5, 7.5, 12.75 and 27.5 and question mark. So 12 by 2. 12 by 2 means 12 into 0.5 is 6 plus, but here we have 6.5 plus 0.5 equal to 6, and 6.5 into 1. 6.5 into 1, 6.5 plus 1, 7.5. So 0.5, 1, and we may expect the next step is 1.5, 2 and 2.5. So 27.5 into 2.5 plus 2.5 equal to, that should be our answer. If we do this, the answer is 71.25. Option D is the answer. And next one, 5, 15, 50, question mark, 10, 30 and 6185. So it's looking like it's definitely followed by multiplication. 5 2s are 30, 5 2s are 10 plus 5, 15, 15 3s 45 plus 5, 50 going to be satisfied, and 50 into 4 plus 5, 50 into 4, 200 plus 5, 205, and check whether it is correct or not. 205 into 5, 5 5s are 25, 5 2s are 10 plus 5, So 1025 plus 5, 1030. Satisfied. Answer is 205.